So these are the Agni brushes. Of course, with 4 pairs of brushes in each motor, it's quite important that the resistance of the brush material and even the brush lead is in the right ballpark, so that the load is shared between them equally. So we've noticed that there is some variance of brush resistance, so if you need to push your motors to the limit, then it is essential that you do this. We're now going to measure the resistance by documenting the voltage drop across the brush when we pass current across it. So this is at the moment connected to 12 volts and 10 amps power supply. So we're going to connect that up across the brush. In fact, we connect the positive end first so it doesn't spark against the brush material, and then the negative end here, like that. Okay, so now we have 10 amps passing through this brush. So I connect my multimeter probes here, and whilst doing this I can measure the voltage drop across the brush, of course, which gives me a very good indication of the resistance of the brush. So you see here we get a reading of 17.4 millivolts of drop. So you would mark this brush down as 17.4 millivolts and then move on and test the next one, which we'll do just to show the difference. So again, you connect the positive end first to the tip of the brush and then connect the negative to the rear afterwards, so that the terminal doesn't spark against the end of the brush and leave a burn mark in it. So we're literally measuring the voltage between here and here. And this brush is giving us a reading of 17.4, so it's actually quite close to the previous brush. And once you have a set of 8 all the same, then you can go ahead and populate your brush holder. It's actually acceptable to have 2 sets of 4, so you might have 2 sets of 4 brushes with different resistances. You just match all of the ones that are on the positive terminal of the brush holder or the negative terminal of the brush holder. And that's that.